Jamaica's sprinting sensation Veronica Campbell Brown and her husband expecting baby number two. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Retired Jamaican sprinter Veronica Campbell Brown is expecting her second child with her husband Omar. The 8-time Olympic medalist announced her pregnancy via a post on her Instagram on Sunday, which was also her birthday. In a post she made on her Instagram account, "For decades, I am grateful to celebrate another milestone with my hubby and my daughter Havana as we excitedly anticipate the arrival of baby number two." Campbell Brown shared in a caption that accompanied by images of her showing her baby bump. The retired athlete also labeled May 15, 2022 as the beginning of another year of an abundant blessing. Congratulations and birthday greetings poured in for the 3-time World Olympic champion gold medalist on Sunday. Several athletes were among those who wished her, including Asafa Powell, Elaine Thompson-Herah, and Stephen Gardner of Bahamas. "Happy birthday, VCB, and congratulations," commented Powell. "Congrats, happy birthday, VC," said Gardner. The Browns welcomed their first child, Aviana, in 2019. In fact, the couple recently celebrated Aviana's birthday. We here at Links 007 TV as well just want to congratulate the athlete Veronica Campbell Brown on this and hope and wish her all the best in their future endeavors. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.